Hi, welcome to Delta Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to insert an image using simple HTML. So I will be using Sublime Text Editor to perform all the coding work because it gets very easy to use Sublime rather than that simple common method of Notepad. So let's begin with it. This is general structure of any HTML program: head section and body section. Title we will give as my first image. Then in body section we will give one heading as first image. See, we are inserting an image, so regarding our purpose we will give proper and appropriate title as well as heading. Then we will add one horizontal line, and now the main part we will perform: inserting an image. IMG is a tag which is used to insert an image, and SRC is attribute of this IMG tag. IMG stands for image tag and SRC stands for source. Means from which location we are inserting the image, that source to be mentioned here. We are performing our practicals in this folder. We have images folder and we will insert this image beach.jpg. So images slash beach.jpg. See, your extension should be properly mentioned, whether it is jpg, whether it is png, or it is jpeg format. Then we will add two more attributes of image tag, that is height, let's say 200, and width, let's say it's also 200. See, we are keeping both the values same just to avoid any compressing of the image, so that its aspect ratio will be properly maintained. Now let's check whether our output is coming or not. Yes, you can see image has been aligned to by default to the left side of your browser window. Okay, anything that you will write, it will be placed to the left side of your browser window. Okay, so our image has been displayed successfully. Now if you wish to play with its attribute, let's say you want to increase the height or width, you can change the values from here. Also, if you wish to bring this image to the center, then you can use center tag, which will align your image to the center position. Just save the file and refresh your browser. See, the change is in front of you. Your image has been placed to the center. Now if you wish to insert more images, you can just simply copy this and you can paste it. So your images will be inserted one after another. Then as per the dimensions and your pixel calculation, you can arrange how many images you want to put in a single row. That completely depends on you only. Thank you.